An interesting week of trade for the markets, clearly that was. Today's session, if you see, the markets did rebound from the day's lowest levels, and we managed to recoup the early losses and posted minor gains as well. In fact, Sensex rose above those 62,000 levels in the last hour of trade, and we ended nearly at a 5-month high. In terms of the Nifty as well, levels above 18,300 is what we've achieved in today's day in terms of closing, and clear outperformance did come in from the banking and financial majors as well. In fact, Bank Nifty clearly outperformed the benchmark indices in trade with gains of almost 7/10 to 8/10 of a percent. In terms of sectors, it was the automobiles as well as the financial names that led the gains, and it was mainly the metal index as well as the power stocks that were the downers in today's session. Let's quickly look at stock specific action. Eicher Motors, the demand recovery is supposed to actually support growth amid rising competition. That's what analysts are stating after the numbers. M&M was up in trade on the back of the production numbers as well as the SIAM data. IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank, as well as HUL saw smart gains. Whereas on the losing end, you had a Hindalco, BPCL, Power Grid, NTPC, as well as a Dr. Reddy's. These were a few of the names which actually put pressure in terms of Nifty. Let's quickly look at the newsmakers. On the back of the MSCI rejig, you have Max Healthcare, smart gains coming in there, HAL as well as a Sona BLW on the back of the addition, which will be effective from the 1st of June. Whereas on the back of the exclusions, you had Adani Transmission, Adani Total Gas, and Indus Tower that were under pressure. Ambuja Cement has been declared as the preferred bidder for one of the limestone blocks, so that was in focus. Z Entertainment was under pressure as well because SEBI has alleged abuse of insolvency law by Shirpur and its promoters and barred them from divesting their stake. Moving on, Indian hotels, good commentary coming in from the management. Intellect Design, Zenzar Technologies, South Indian Bank, and a Greaves Cotton. All these counters were reacting on the back of numbers. Some on the set of weak, some on the back of weak set of numbers. Some on the back of a good set of numbers. And very lastly, stocks like ABB, Bajaj Auto, Chalet Hotels, Godrej Consumer, Tata Motors, Ultratech Cement, all of these counters actually hit a 52-week high as well in today's day of trade. So a lot of stock-specific action. It is earnings season, and that's what we're expected to see. But clearly, markets did see a slightly muted close as well in today's session, but we've been able to maintain certain levels. So it's going to be an interesting move in terms of next week. That's all that we have in this session. Thanks for watching.